What the hell? Someone has been drawing dicks on my car. Was it you, Jack? What did you do to your finger?
Well, I bought a new car, and when I was taking it off the trailer, I squashed it. G'day, my name's Jack, and this is my new R33 Skyline drift car.
We picked it up last night, but I didn't have time to film. It was like pissing down with rain. We were literally soaked. My jumper is still soaked at home, so yeah, it's pretty intense.
Yeah.
But yeah. What are we gonna do? What are we doing? What's it got done to it?
Alright, so it's got, so it's had like, it's in primer at the moment. Eventually I want to wrap it. It's a RB25 DET, so it's pretty good. It's not running at the moment, but hopefully get that running in this video or next video. Apart from that, it's got BC Racing ER series, so that's like a pretty sick coilovers.
It's like $3,000 worth of coilover.
Yeah, not bad.
How much did we pick the car up for?
I picked it up for $5,500. So
Pretty
$5,500,
good.
$3,000 worth of coilovers. R32 GDR seats. They're worth a little bit. Driver seats ripped, but
That's fine.
that's fine. But the passenger seat's all good. Probably keep that one. Put a bucket seat in the driver's seat. This steering wheel I'm not keeping. It's a Sparco, like deep dish steering wheel. It's not mine. I got to give it back to the owner. It's got looks like a cheap boost gauge here. So I was looking the interior. I'm pretty sure this used to be like full on sex spec. So like it's got like red stuff down here, and it had the steering wheel. It's like
It definitely used to be sex spec.
yeah. So
Like, that's nugget. That is full nugget. There's probably some pubes in here that we do not want to find.
yeah, and it's got like these ejecto-ceto switches here.
Go gadget ejecto-ceto.
What's in here?
We've got heaps of exploring to do on this car.
Yeah, rear of the car is fully stripped. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Should we do a bit of a walk around?
I reckon.
Show them some things?
Do a few B-rolls.
Throw your finger in there and I don't know how to open it. We have to put a wire on that or something.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Bam. And there's a boot full of things. And handy, batteries relocated already. As you can tell, it's just in primer, so we're either going to wrap it or just leave it like that, I believe. Are we?
Yeah, I reckon.
Just, yeah.
Yeah, let's give it a quick sand so like it, either the wrap or the paint adheres to it, and then we'll just either keep it like this, paint it, or wrap it.
It might hit a wall, so it doesn't have to be super, super good. It's got these mint wheels. And you can tell that it's a garage spray job because, you know, they didn't even cover the wheels. It's just
Yeah, it's like a bunch of overspray.
bunch of overspray. But I'm sure that'll come off when we just pop a set. The things I'm most hyped on about Jack getting his car was the GTR seats in it, the R32 seats, sorry. They are actually really, really nice. They're like got that bucket feel to them, and I'd actually try and maybe steal this one off him and put it in my car until I get a Recaro or something, because they're nice. Check them out. And they're real comfy.
I just realised this seat's
We'll have to lock that one in.
yeah.
Bop! Beep! It's gonna be fucking sick. RB the world. Pretty low Ks as well. 169,000. Not too bad. And as you can tell, the dash is wrapped carbon. It's actually not a bad wrap job, but I don't know if Jack's going to keep that.
Oh, we'll see. See how we go.
We'll see. If it starts peeling up, we'll just rip it off. And we need to get rid of this shitty fucking... It's like crusty. It's like a stale bread. You know when you crush bread and it's stale? It's like that. The RB25 in all of its glory. We've got some cleaning up to do, and we need to connect the turbo and cooler pipes and stuff. Look at those brand new BC Racing coilovers. Man, they're going to make the car ride so nice. I'm very jealous.
Brand new.
Super jealous of that. I need to get coils in my car because it's running like a monster at the moment. There's a few other things that need to be done, as you can probably tell. Like window seals and stuff, like this window. Or both, they touch. But that's because they stripped it when they painted it. I'm sure we can get that done pretty easily. Everything is in the car, so maybe we should just plug away at that and we'll keep updated. I can't wait till that boat's gone. We get this boat in that boat spot, and we have two drifty boys, or one almost drifty boy, in there. It's going to be amazing. Huh?
3 boats in here now.
We got 4 boats. Boat. Boat. I honestly cannot wait until me and Jack, or Jack and I, are both out there drifting. It's going to be so much fun. He's probably going to put some holes in my door. I might put a hole in his door. Oh, I cannot wait. Seriously, it's going to be so much fun. I just really want to get this engine in already. I'm going to send it. Hopefully, I'm going to start working on the 180 a lot more in the next week or so. I'm going to hopefully order a new head, or find a new head, all that stuff. The new turbo and airflow meter, and then and a fuel pump, and we're going to just send it, I reckon. So hopefully we can either get the next drift day or the drift day after that. So, oh my god, it's going to be so much fun. We'll have Jack's car going by then. It's going to be sweet. I think I said it before in another video, but I need to order a GK Tech replacement for the ABS lines. So that's the ABS there. It'll delete all that and just go straight to brakes, because we do not want ABS. And I need a Hiker's delete, which you can't see under my car, but I'll show you hopefully under Jack's car. He has a delete. So that red bar, that's a Hiker's delete bar. Works really good. Got to get another one off GK Tech. I'm pretty sure I can get them from there. So yeah, so we got some mods hopefully coming soon for that. But I think this week we're going to be working mainly on Jack's just to get it going, so we can move it into this spot, all that good stuff. I also need to strip half of this interior because it's gross, grotty ass. I also need to strip half of this interior because it's gross, grotty as. I need to get this whole rear seat out. Hopefully get that rear seat out and the rear carpet out and stuff. I'll put a bolt-in cage, and I'm going to leave the whole front with carpet, front dash, all that stuff. And then hopefully I can steal one of Jack's GTR seats for the passenger, or for me for now until I get a Recaro. And then I'll hopefully put his GTR seat for passenger and get a Recaro for here. I need to get this whole rear seat out. Hopefully get that rear seat out and the rear carpet out and stuff. I'll put a bolt-in cage, and I'm going to leave the whole front with carpet, front dash, all that stuff. And then hopefully I can steal one of Jack's GTR seats for the passenger, or for me for now until I get a Recaro. And then I'll hopefully put his GTR seat for passenger and get a Recaro for here. Alright, so we moved the car from there because my housemate needed to get his trailer out for tomorrow. So we put the car over here and we're going to start working on it. I don't know how far we're going to get today with this video, but we will definitely be working on it during the week and smashing out some videos for you guys. What do you reckon?
Check.
Look at them BC Racing coilovers. Brand newies.
ER Series 2.
Yeah. So Jack is currently putting an oil return feed for the turbo back to the engine. And then we can start getting some cooler pipes on and figure out where everything else goes. And then maybe start it for you guys. So you see this little thing here? It literally gets onto one thread and then just pulls out. So Jack has to buy a whole new turbo, or I don't know really, what are you going to do? Do you know what you're going to do?
Can't really tap it because all the swarf will go inside the turbo. So I guess the only option we have is to get another turbo.
Looks like we're going on drift sales tonight and finding a new turbo.
T3s aren't too expensive though.
Not too expensive. It's pretty much the same boat I was in until my head decided to eat itself. So I know exactly how he's feeling right now. When you get a whole new car, you're like, yeah, it's gonna be sick, and shit just goes wrong. We've also got some intercooler piping on the ground, and it's the stock one, and we've only got a few pieces that actually match up. So we're either going to order a whole new aftermarket one, or source some stock parts for this one. All right, so we're going to pack up now, go home, hopefully jump on drift sales on the computer, research all this intercooler piping, try and get a new turbo, and I'm going to start looking for parts for this, and hopefully we'll see you during the week and get a video out from the weekend. Anyways, anything else to say, Jack?
Pissed off.
He's pissed off?
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll get it going. It'll be going before my car.
Probably, yeah. The engine's still in it.
Yeah, the engine's still in it. Has a heart, unlike mine.
Yeah.
All right, anyways, you know what to do. Follow Jack and I's social medias, like Instagram and all that. I'll put that in the description, put it up here, whatever the fuck. Don't forget to like, comment, do all that good stuff. And if you're new, subscribe. We're now at like over 1,200 subscribers. So that's awesome. All right, peace.